Assalamu alaikum, all of you. Good morning, Vania Khan. I can see you. I will appreciate if you switch on your camera. Mas Farooq, I can see you. Yes, Hamna Asaf. Khizra, how are you all, beta? How are you? Good, good. Elsa, you are looking well, Khizra. And Hafsa Nawal. Now, Heba, Kashif, Hafsa, Amir, Tehzeeb, Peer Sada. Iraj, how are you, beta, Iraj? Smiling face. Vanya, switch on your camera, please. Hamad Madni. Good to see you guys. Yes, Taha, I can see you. You're waving hands. Okay, guys. Assalamu alaikum. And very good morning to you all. And I'm very much happy to see you. Walaikum assalam. Walaikum assalam. So, should we start our lesson? Should we start? Yes, Vania, I can see you. Should we start our lecture? Okay. Yes. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. So, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear SMPNs, my beloved and dearest SMPNs. Okay, so I welcome all of you in my English class. You know me, I am Musarrat and I am your English teacher. So let's see which class is going to be either English language or literature. Okay, okay. Yes, I'm going to ask you, my dear Taha. So today we are again having our English literature class, right? Because we have to read the lesson Wild Moose. As you had yesterday, yes, as Ahad, very good literature class, very nice, beta. So, as you had the lecture of Wild Moose, page number 111 and 112. Have you read the lesson of on page number 111 and 112? And on page number 113, you are having the picture of black eagle and wild moose. Okay. So guys, today we are going to continue. I will say continue. We're going to read the lesson Wild Moose from page number 115 and 116. So, can you tell me who is Black Eagle? Tehzeeb will tell me, okay? I'm giving you access of unmute. So Tehzeeb will tell me who was Black Eagle. Yes, Tehzeeb, please tell me who was Black Eagle? Yes, yes, 114 till 115. So, yes. Okay, 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 Tehzeeb. So, Khizra, can you tell me who was Black Eagle? First, you have to tell me. Yes, Khizra.
No, miss, I don't know, but I read the lesson
Okay.
from 111 till 115.
You have read. You have read the
Yes.
lesson from page. So, why don't you know who was Black Eagle? So, Ilsa, can you tell me, my dear, who was Black Eagle? Yes, Ilsa?
Miss, can I tell?
Yes, Taha, you can tell me.
Black Eagle was like the leader of the Red Indians.
Very good. Very good answer. Black Eagle was the leader of Red Indians. Now the question arises that who was Red Indians? I told you. Yes, King of Red Indians, or you can say Maham, Chief of Red Indians. Very good. So now the main characters of the story are Black Eagle and Ayn. Now I tell you who was Black Eagle, right? Actually, Black Eagle was a Red Indian. Red Indians were the native European. They used to live in the forest and their houses were wigwam. Wigwam was the name of their houses or tent. They used to live in the forest. And one thing that is very important, that they used to paint red on not only their faces or body but all over their, means their houses, their things were red in color. That's why they were called Red Indians. Whereas Ayn was, okay, Maham, I did not say you, my dear. Okay, so Ayn was a white people. White people were civilized. They were cultured, civilized, and they were white. So, this story, this impressive story, very interesting story, shows the hatred between red Indians and white people. They hated each other. They always used to attack each other. And Black Eagle kidnapped Ayn, who was a white boy. Why? Why did he kidnap him? Because in order to take revenge, because he thought, or he had belief that his own son had died of fever due to white people. They thought, Black Eagle thought that white people came from ships, they attacked their settlement, and they spread fever. And that's why his own son, Little Eagle, had died. And from that day, he wanted to take revenge. So, what happened? The story started from the battle. The attackers attacked white people, and while the people were fighting, Black Eagle entered a house of white people from the back door of cabin. And then he found himself in a bedroom where two boys, one of them was 5 year old and the other one was 4 years old. The 4 year old boy was Alastair. Alastair was the brother of Iron, and he was pink in face. His hair was corn color, means he resembled like a European. Whereas Iron had brown face and black hair. And that's why Black Eagle was surprised to see Ayn. And Ayn reminded Black Eagle of his own son. Okay, got it? Got it, guys? Hamna Saf, have you gotten, my dear? Okay, I'm giving you access of unmute. Hamna, please tell me. Okay, so you have gotten the story from from here. Okay. Okay, Hamna. So now let's on the next. So this is the preview. This story shows the hatred between red Indians and white people. See the screen. See the screen properly. They attacked and killed each other. Actually, they used to attack and kill each other. Always. Once red Indians attacked the whites. And while the people were fighting, an attacker named Black Eagle kidnapped a white boy who was Iron. The people called the white boy Wild Moose. That's why this story is Wild Moose. Wild means living in a forest, and moose a kind of large deer. But this is a title of Iron was given by red Indians. Actually, red Indians gave Iron a title, Wild Moose. Okay. Yes, my dear. Yes, Hafsa. Why not, my dear? You can. Okay. So, yes. So, and then Black Eagle brought Iron up like red Indians. Yes, Khizra, what do you want to say? Yes, I'm giving you access. Yes,
Miss, can I read
yes, you
page?
will read. You will read. Okay, okay. I will make you read. Um, everyone, you can say. Okay, so Wild Moose was brought by Black Eagle in, in Red Indians' wigwam, their settlement, and where Wild Moose was brought up. And he grew to be a warrior. He was strong and brave, and he was quick learner. Quickly he learned all the way of life of red Indians, even though he was a white people. So let's start reading, okay? Asher, good to see you, my dear Asher. Okay, Taha, Khizra, Mas Farooq. Okay, we should start our reading. Open page number 114. 114. Okay, I'm showing you book. Yes, very good. And on page 113, you are having a picture of Black Eagle and Iron. Iron was wild moose, became wild moose. Iron was a white people, white boy. And Black Eagle was kidnapping. And he was taking Iron to his settlement, to his tribe. Okay? So open page number 114. Now, okay. Who will read? Okay, Asher, yes. First, Asher will read. Okay, I'm giving you access of unmute, Asher. Please read it from the line 1. All of you put your finger on the line. Yes.
He was very puzzled and very unhappy for several weeks. Then slowly he began to settle down for the Red Indian way of life. Everyone was kind to him, and Black Eagle was like a father.
Very good, Asher.
Ian became,
Very
yes, miss. Ian became used to the wigwams and his new strange clothes.
Yes.
Ian became used to the wigwams and his new strange clothes. He even became used to the idea of being called Wild Moose instead of Iron.
Very good.
Quite quickly, he learned the Red Indian language and gradually forgot most of his English.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you, Asher. Very good. So he was very puzzled. Who was very puzzled? Iron, because he was kidnapped. and he was being kidnapped and very unhappy because he remembered all his things, all his memories. Then slowly he began to settle down, and slowly he started to adjust with them. Okay, okay, beta. I'm reading your chat. Okay, okay. So, and then slowly he began to settle down to the Red Indian way of life. Everyone was kind to him. Red Indians was kind to him because he was very youngest. He was younger. He was a small boy. And Black Eagle was like a father. As Black Eagle kidnapped him, that's why he was like a father. He behaved like a father. Okay. And became used to the wigwams. I told you wigwams were the houses of Red Indians. And his new strange clothes, obviously, they were not civilized. They used to live in forest, and they used to wear different type of means leaves clothes, and they used to be bared. So new strange clothes. He even became used to the idea of being called Wild Moose instead of Iron because his name was Iron. But Red Indians used to call him Wild Moose. Now he was very much familiar of his new name. Quite quickly, he learned the Red Indian language. He was a quick learner. That's why he learned their language that was very different and gradually forgot most of his English because when he lived with his parents, he used to speak English. So now, with Red Indians, he gradually forgot. Okay, now, Khizra. Khizra, I'm giving you access of unmute, please. Third paragraph, my
Thank you,
dear. Yes,
Miss मैं आपसे एक बात पूछूं कि
yes,
ये
sure.
जो wigwams का what is the meaning of wigwams?
Yes.
Miss, what
Wigwams,
is the meaning of wigwam?
the houses
Yes, Miss.
or tents of Red Indians, where Red Indians
Okay,
lived. Okay, so start, beta.
okay. But
Okay,
although
okay, Mas.
Black Eagle said of
Often and
you
often.
are a often and often you are a red Indian boy, little wild moose. I knew that he was not, and he was sure that one day his mother and father would come and take him home again to be with his family once more.
Okay, my dear.
Meanwhile,
Okay,
he made
Khizra, please stop. Okay. But although Black Eagle said often and often, Black Eagle always used to remind him that you are a Red Indian boy. Little Wild Moose, I knew very much that he was not, he was a white boy. And he was sure, and he was very much hopeful that one day his parents would come and would take him to home again to be with his family once more. Okay, now Mars, please read it, beta.
Meanwhile, he played with the red Indian children in the camp and began to enjoy himself. His hair grew long like the other boys, and his face became browner with the sun. Black Eagle made him a bow and arrow, and taught him how to hunt and fish, and how to make and manage a canoe. Wild Moose was quick to learn, and Black Eagle was proud of him. He is better than anyone in the tribe, he said. Wild Moose began to live the open air life, and he grew tall and strong and clever in all the Red
Very
Indians'
good. Thank you,
ways.
Mars. Thank you so much, my dear. Abdullah bin Abdulaziz, please read it. Yes, read it. Abdullah bin Abdulaziz. I'm giving you access of unmute, please. Yes. Read this paragraph again. Abdullah, you're not here, my dear. Okay, Taha. Yes, Aliza Khan. Aliza Khan. Yes. Aliza, read it.
Okay, Miss.
Yes.
Meanwhile, he played with the red Indian children in the camp and began to enjoy himself. His hair grew long
Grew.
like the other boys,
Yes. Keep on.
and his face became browner with the sun. Black Eagle made him a bow and arrow and taught him how to hunt and fish, and how to make and manage a canoe. While Mouse was quick to learn
Moose.
and
Moose, not mouse. Wild moose.
while
Wild
Moose
moose.
while Moose was quick to learn and Black Eagle was proud of him. He's better than any boy in the tribe, he said while Moose began to love the open air life, and he grew tall and strong and clever in all the Red Indian.
Very good. Very good. Now, Afan Adnan, you will read, okay? The last paragraph. He's better than Afan Adnan. I have given you access of mute, please. Hafsa Nawal. Okay, Hafsa, I'm giving you access. Okay, Afan Adnan, you are not reading. So meanwhile, he played with the Red Indian children. Obviously, he had to play with them, Red Indians, in the camp and begin to enjoy himself. His hair grew long like the other boys, as Red Indians have, and his face became browner with the sun. In open sunlight, he had to live. That's why his hair became browner. Black Eagle made him a bow and arrow and taught him how to do fish and how to make and manage a canoe. Means Black Eagle trained him how to get the fish and how to make and manage a canoe. Canoe, a boat or a wooden boat. While Wild Moose was quick to learn, and Black Eagle was proud of him. And he used to say, he's better than any boy in the tribe. Underline this dialogue. Who said? Black Eagle said to the people, not Wild Moose. He is better than any boy in the tribe. Black Eagle said to the people of Red Indian, or Red Indian you can write. Wild Moose began to love the open air life, and he grew tall and strong and clever in all the Red Indian. Means he grew stronger. He grew tall and strong, and now he seemed a brave boy. Okay, now open page number, now see on page number 115. Okay, now Mohammed. Yes, Hafsa, where is Hafsa? Hafsa Nawal. Yes, Hafsa, read it. Read, beta. I have given you access of unmute yourself. Yes.
Okay, his memories of his early life became more and more dim, and by the time he was 7 or 8, he had no wish at all to return to it. Sometimes in the evenings, he sat by the campfire and listened to the stories of the Indian braves. They told tales that thrilled him and tales that made him laugh. It was only the tales of the white people that he didn't like. He felt puzzled and unhappy when the Indians told him their attacks on the white people. While Moose always wished that Indians and white people didn't have to fight each other.
Very
Red
good.
is red and white is white.
Thank you,
Black people
Thank you, beta. Now,
uncertain.
okay, where is my Ilsa and Ahad? Now, Ahad, do you want to read, beta?
They can never be at peace
Yes.
together. They are
Okay.
husband
Yes.
standing and in that Here, the quarrel between Indians and English become more bitter even than before. Will they
Ahad
attack
is
them?
not reading. Ahad, please read it, beta. I have given the access of unmute. Please unmute your
They,
side.
they can never be at peace together.
Who
The
is reading?
years pass.
Tell me.
Miss, let me admit.
Okay, now. So his memories of his early life became more and more dim because he used to live and he had learned the way of life of red Indians. And his memories of being white people or white boy became dim. And he forgot, he had forgotten gradually the way of white people. Okay. So now, sometimes in the evening, he sat by the campfire and listened to the stories of Indian braves. Red Indian mostly used to tell the stories of braves. They told tales. Tales means stories that thrilled him and tales that made him laugh. Sometimes he started laughing, sometimes he became thrilled. It was only the tales of the white people that he didn't like. That was the story of just against the white people because they hated white people. And being a white boy, Wild Moose didn't like. He felt puzzled and unhappy when the Indians told of their attacks on the white people. Wild Moose always wished like Annie had three wishes, and Wild Moose had a wish that Indians and white people didn't have to fight each other. Actually, Wild Moose wanted to make peace between two tribes, Red Indians and white people. But what did Black Eagle say? Red is red and white is white. Underline this dialogue, this is very important. Red is red and white is white. Black Eagle would say sternly. Sternly means severely, rudely. Why? Because he, Black Eagle, or like other Red Indians, like Black Eagle, did not want to peace between Red Indians and white people. And Black Eagle severely used to say that red is red and white is white, means red Indians are red and white people are white people. The years, the years passed by until Wild Moose was 10 years. Now he became 10 years old. And in that year, the quarrel between Indians and English became more bitter. Bitter means worst, more worse means the quarrel. Quarrel means the fight, the hatred between two became more and more worse. We'll attack them, said the Indians. We'll frighten them and drive them away. Red Indians they were saying that we would attack on white people and we would fright them. We would make them fright. We would make them fright and we would make them drive away, went away. So the brave sharpened their axes and their arrows and prepared for the journey. Actually, not for journey, but prepared for fight. May we come? Begged some of the older boys. May we come? They were requested. And they were requesting to the chief of Red Indians that should we come? But the chief replied, while Moose may go only. Why? His aim is as true as any man's. Whose aim? Wild Moose aim. Aim means target, means he shot very nicely. He shot very clearly. He may go with Black Eagle while they were attacking white people and carry his arrows for him. You know, guys, that was a big proud for Wild Moose because chief of Red Indians had chosen wild moose. Okay? So have you read? Now take out your copy. Okay? Take out your copy, my dear. Everyone, first of all, write the index. You can see on the screen. And guys, this is not your home assignment. That's why I did not write assignment number. Just you have to write the date. This is your classwork. Lesson, new lesson is going to start. That's why you have to write wild moose with blue color pencil. Okay? And we are going to do words meaning and word sentences also. Words meaning and word sentences you will write. Okay? Write nicely and neatly. Wild moose, lesson wild moose. Surely you will write wild moose. And what we are going to do, words meanings. And write word sentences also. If we have time, we will complete it. Okay? Have you written the index? Should I change the slide? Everyone, start writing. Have you done, my dear? I'm changing the slide because you have to write 12 words meaning. Okay, Sayyid Muhammad. Okay, now I am going to change my slide. Next slide is title page. Make the title page. Lesson Wild Moose. Make the title page. Lesson Wild Moose. Subtitle, words, meanings, and word sentences. And you will write tomorrow and day after tomorrow the more things in subtitle like question answers, RTC. Okay, this is your classwork, not assignment. Where are you going, Hafsa Nawal? Okay, words, meaning, and word sentences, my dear. Have you made the title page? Have you made the title page? Okay, done. Should I change the slide? Raise up your hands. You can add on or beautify your title page. Okay, Isma, very good. Okay. Okay. Amna, hurry up, Amna. Why are you so late? Muhammad Arham has done. Very good. Make the title page. You can beautify your title page later. Now I'm changing the slide. I'm going to words meaning. Okay? Yes. These are the words and their meanings. On the red line, you will write wild moose. On the red line, you will write wild moose. Then make a column with pencil and scale. Use the scale for making a line, making a column. Your line should be straight, as you always do. Most of you are doing very nice work. Have you written wild moose on the red line? And please write the date. Please write the date. Today is 26/1/21. Okay? Every page should be dated, or I always say. Now, in one column, write words and meanings. ये करना है. Okay. Have you written? Okay. Number 1, glance. To have a brief look. Wigwam, tender house of a red Indians. Sternly, severely, kidnap, steal someone, blame, assign a fault, canoe, a light narrow boat, wooden boat, trembling, shaking, limping, walking awkwardly, search, look for something, lit up, glue up. I lit up my candle, I lit up the candle in the dark, swiftly, rapidly, retreat, to go back, to go away, to go back. Okay? There are 12 words and their meanings. Have you written all? Hurry up. 3 minutes रह गए. जल्दी मेरा टाइम क्यों हो जाता है? Okay. Have you done? Have you done, my dear? Everyone, please. Vanya, are you writing? Vanya is doing very good work nowadays. And Fizza also. Hafsa, Isma. And you have to collect the copies tomorrow because we are not going to give you home assignment and you will be having your midterm examination expected from 1st February on Monday. That's why we are not going to give you any home assignment, okay? Okay, Vanya, keep doing, beta. Keep doing. Okay. Hamna Saaf. Where is Hamna Saaf? Okay, hurry up. Where is Hamna or Saaf? Okay, Hamna. Yes. Yes, Hamna, what do you want to ask? I have given you access of unmute. Please unmute yourself. Yes. Yes.
I was saying, will you upload the lecture?
Yes, sure. Yes, I will.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Now, let's go on the next slide. Vanya, have you done, my dear? Next slide is make sentences. Now, guys, I will explain the word and you will do yourself. You have to make the sentences of the given words. Kidnap. His youngest brother was kidnapped last year. Sternly. My teacher told me sternly to complete my work. Build. The builder built an apartment. Or the builders built an apartment. Or you can say the builder built. V2, B-U-I-L-T. You can change in the forms of verb. Yes, Isma, what happened? Wait, yes? Yes, Isma?
Miss, you have to write make sentences or red line.
Yes, on the red line, yes. And write these words, okay?
Okay.
clever,